Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every single Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave the video a comment and click the bell notification. Now, today, we have a very simple coleslaw to make. Really easy to do and beats anything you'd pick up in the deli. All right, first thing we got to do is make our dressing. So to a deli container, by the way, I highly recommend every kitchen have a deli container. Just because they're super convenient. You can buy them on Amazon. Deli containers really up the game. All right, to a deli container, 2/3 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. As you can see here, I've added a teaspoon of celery seed. Celery seed can be found in the spice aisle of any grocery store. About roughly 4 teaspoons of sugar. Or a tablespoon and a teaspoon. And then we want to add about some salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. You can use black, but for coleslaw dressing, I do prefer white pepper. Just me. Then you just want to grab a whisk and whisk everything till it's combined, and then leave this in the fridge for at least an hour before we make our coleslaw. All right, let's make the coleslaw. All right, we got our cabbage and carrots and everything ready. Now it's time to add our dressing. And I know this looks like it won't be nearly enough, but trust me, it will be enough. And then one of my favorite things about the deli containers, you just throw them away. And then carefully just start spinning this around until everything is coated. And then I like to let it hang out in the fridge again for about an hour. Stir it around again and then add salt if need be. And then usually I like to add some extra freshly ground black pepper. And that's Super Easy Coleslaw. Perfect for any barbecue or, well, anything. But it's done.